Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. This is part 6 for July 2024 Patreon. We're looking at D&D Warhammer and figure prints as well. If you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out Patreon and Discord. Let's get at it. So we have non-num figures. You get their previous month and the current month, plus their additional ones as well. So you got Norabura, Mesmir, and Melania from these two from Elden Ring. So we got Dark Magician's Good, Genova, Makama, and Sanji, and the Goose. So we got the Goose so far, and a whole bunch of pretty cool looking ones as well. This is going to be the August one. But yeah, check them out. It's very good figures for 10 bucks. Actually, a very good deal as well. The links for all of these we're looking at will be down in the description below. Fantastic Plants and Rocks. For $3.90, if you need some rocks and plants, terrains, and so forth, uh, grab it. I don't want to have a lot of these plant terrains in my campaign. It's just too many, and painting. I don't like painting so many of the same thing at the same time. But yeah, if you're interested, go check them out as well. Daybreak Miniatures. They do pretty cool miniatures. I think we're doing paladins again. So we have some ornate figures for D&D campaigns as well. I think some of these you actually switched for Age of Sigmar. I don't really know. We got the Bard. So I think this is like a venture campaign. I think we have clerics as well. But yeah, pretty cool. Someone daunting this type of ornate armors and big ass equipment. So I don't think I want to go against them as well. So yeah, just letting you guys know. It looks pretty cool. It looks like we have a ranger as well, bust, and a dragonborn, I believe. It looks like a little more like a lizard folk than a dragonborn, with a whole bunch of spikes on it with dreadlocks. But yeah. Val Victus miniatures. I think they finally got it out. We got your pin up. And we have, looks like Bertolians for your old world if you're interested. Some peasants Bertolians if you need for your old world gaming needs. Raven. Nope, they're done. Sakuras Mundus is a terrain piece. This is June release. I don't know what their July release looks like. But yeah, they have really big miniatures for your terrain needs if you're interested in it. Reuben, another good figure. Was June. I think July is their new project for this month. Let's see here. Alavisa von Lissaburn from Fate, Stay Night, and Blue Archive Arudress. So these two will be, I think, next month. Not this month, but next month. I think she took a hiatus for July. Dragon Rest, the Dragon's Rest is another terrain ones as well. You have your little risers for your campaign for dungeons, your stairs. Basically, there's like big modules that you print out and you can clip them however you want it. That's the one cool thing about this as well. I have an FDM printer now, a big one, that I can actually use and actually print out the stuff that I need. Even this token's gonna be useful when I print it off all on FDM printer. Resin print is good to a certain point that I just noticed. So I'll let you guys give you an idea. Codex Universalis. Are they still alive? No, April 9th, May 2023. Yeah, no. Pegu Miniatures. This is Blood Bowl for it. I think this is a July release right here. So we have, looks like orcs and trolls and squigs and grots for your Blood Bowl needs if you're interested in it. And you got the snow giants as well. These look like freaking gnomes, halflings with tree ants for your blood. I never seen anyone play actually Blood Bowl. I don't know if it's any good or not. Uh, these guys are still alive. That I haven't really been updating as much. I don't know why, but they do a lot of these Japanese anime style miniatures for D&D, and I get a lot of the stuff every month for it. But let me know if they have anything lining up for it. So every month I get something, so it's weird. Titan Forge miniatures. Let's see, July post. I think we already looked at this. A lot of these are Chaos, and we got Zinch, and we also got Nurgles as well. We have your D&D style over here as well for your thing for dwarves and gnomes and halflings, and looks like dark elves, ogre, werewolves, and over here you get your book golem, flaming elemental. Looks like all four elementals in one, and your wizards just for D&D. And this one you can actually use for Age of Sigmar if you're really interested in that. The warriors, the wizards, the what's that? The RPG carrier. Avatar War, another good proxy for Warhammer, Age of Sigmar, and Old World. I don't know what they're having for June. Oh, we got some spider riding groks. This actually would be pretty good for your Old World and Age of Sigmar if you're interested. I do need some spider riding goblins for my orc and goblin armies. So this is actually really, really good to have. So we have. I still don't know how to play it. I am actually going to make time with the store and have someone teach me how to play. But I cannot bring any of these 3D printed ones. They want Warhammer stuff that's been bought. So I'm going to have to use the one I got from the box sets for it. So once I learn how to play, now I know. Then I'll know how to teach my other friends how to play as well. We got G Sculpt Art. He is back. He does a lot of figures for it. So I think he took a vacation. I'm not gonna. I'm back. I travel 4,460 kilometers across Europe, France, Switzerland, Germany, Australia, Italy. What a ride! So yeah, he does very good sculpts for figures. Drunken Dwarf, July. We looked at this multiple times. I'm getting this for my campaign because I do really need these things for merchants, especially if what kind of campaign I'm making as well. My 3D prints. I think we looked at this before. The Druids from World of Warcraft. If you Druids and their polymorph forms as well and different things. If you're into World of Warcraft and want 3D prints of your thing for your D&D games or for painting needs, here you go. My 3D prints is actually really really good. Hell Creator. We got the third character out. There's one more character out that you gotta still work on. Jin Saki. I know this game is. I heard it was fun, but I never really have a chance to play it. Nemesis. I don't know what game this came from. From Hades 2. I haven't played Hades yet. This is from Borderlands Siren. And then we're waiting for one more. I think Karlak and Sanji. So we're waiting for Karlak and Sanji for your figures needs. I just want Sanji. I have too many Karlaks. Hey, welcome back. Blue Sky Minis. If you're interested on getting more orcs for your campaign, Blue Skies is the way. I don't see anything that they have released out for July yet, but they probably will. It's going to be a lot of orcs, and hopefully they have some more cycle mobs. I need more of those guys, or those teleporters that basically dies when it teleports. You got to roll for it as well. Dungeon pinups. Trying to find one that's not lewd. Summer Madness. I'm guessing join now. Get 14 models monthly. Release 2 last model Pathfinder Vault SF NSFW. So they do a lot of lewd pinups for it. But if you're interested, go check them out. And this will be the last one. Myth Bowl RN Studio. This is another Blood Bowl style miniatures as well. You see here, 3 hunt full team. This was June. It's like the female Bertoli's playing. Let's see here. Hawaiian gnomes. You got the amphibians and the demons. I'd rather have the demons. They look more hotter than the Hawaiians. Let's see here. Pirate Treasure Hunt 3 full teams for free. Monthly reward. I really don't know. I think this is this month the Bertolians version of this Blood Bowl that's happening. Let me know what you guys think. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon and Discord. Thank you guys very much. Have a nice day, guys. Bye.